If your team is running projects out of a mix of spreadsheets, sticky notes, chat threads, and 3 different apps, this is for you. I want to show you something we built called Octopus. It is an organizational operating system. One place where your team plans work, tracks tasks, manages risk, and stays in sync. No switching tabs, no losing context. We are currently in public beta. Free to start, no credit card required. Let me walk you through what it can do. After you sign in, you land here, the dashboard. On the left is your navigation. Projects, my tasks, time tracking, files, risk management, teams, messages, and soon a lot more. Everything your team needs is one click away. At the top, you have a global search bar. You can find any task, project, or file from anywhere in the app. And up here is your notification bell, which keeps you updated when teammates assign tasks to you or leave comments. Let's start with projects, since that is where most of the work currently happens. The projects page gives you a bird's eye view of everything your team is working on. You can search by name, sort by recent activity, most tasks, or alphabetically, and filter by your role. You can view projects as cards, great for a visual overview, or as a list if you prefer a denser layout. Let me open one of these projects now. Inside a project, you get 5 views: board, list, timeline, calendar, and spreadsheet. Let's start with the board, which gives you a classic Kanban layout. Each column represents a stage in your workflow. You can rename these, color code them, and reorder them by dragging, and right now, I can move this task into In Review just by dragging it. The order sticks even after I refresh the page. You will notice every column always has the column name pinned at the top, even when you scroll down through a long list of tasks. And at the bottom of every column, there is always a quick add button so you can create a task without hunting for a menu. The filter bar up top lets you search tasks by name, filter by priority, and sort by due date or custom order, all without leaving the board. Clicking any task opens the detail panel. From here, you can set the status, priority, assignee, due date, start dates, labels, and everything saves automatically as you go. The description field supports rich text. I can bold, italicize, and underline text right from the toolbar or using keyboard shortcuts. You can also add bullet lists. Everything formats and saves as you type. Subtasks are one of my favorite features. You can add a checklist under any task, and here's something new. Subtasks can have their own subtasks, so if a task has multiple layers of work underneath it, you can model that exactly. Click the arrow to expand, click plus to add a child, and double-click any title to rename it inline. You can also set tasks to repeat. Click the repeat picker and choose every day, every week, custom intervals, whatever fits your workflow. Reoccurring tasks will appear in a dedicated Dailies tab on the My Tasks page. Now we'll switch to the timeline view, and you get a Gantt-style layout. By default, it shows the next 7 days, and it fills the full width of your screen so nothing is wasted. Use the range button up top to jump to 2 weeks, a month, or 3 months, depending on how far out you need to plan. Tasks with the due date show up as color-coded pills on the day that they are due. Tasks with both a start date and due date stretch out into the bar so you can see the full duration at a glance. Overdue tasks turn red automatically. The My Tasks is your personal command center. Every task assigned to you across all projects show up here, organized into tabs. All, due today, this week, overdue, in review, dailies, and no date. The counts on each tab are accurate. They only count active tasks, not completed ones, and if you use daily repeat tasks as habits or routines, you can toggle this switch to hide them from the due today and overdue tabs, so that they do not clutter your urgent list. Your preference saves automatically. You can also sort and filter by due date, priority, project, status, or title. This is your personal daily workflow exactly how you want it. Octopus is built for teams. From the team page, you can see all your team members, their roles, and invite new people. Every project has its own member list and permission levels, so you control who can view, edit, or manage each project. Inside every task, there is a full comment thread. Leave feedback, ask questions, tag decisions. All the context stays with the work, not in a separate chat tool. And for broader team conversations, Team Messages gives you a shared space for announcements and discussions. That is a quick look at Octopus. Now in public beta, we have got projects, tasks with rich text and nested subtasks, timeline and calendar views, personal task management, team collaboration, risk management, and more on the way. It is free to start, no credit card, no waitlist. Head to octopusoos.com and click Get Started. Your whole team can be up and running in minutes. See you inside.